So it's been a minute since I've been to Dollar Tree, in particular this Dollar Tree, and the craft aisle has expanded. It is now the whole aisle. So these are just some of the things that they have. The knitting needles, lots of yarn. They even have the chenille yarns over here. You can see those. They have fabric pieces. They've had these all along, well, for a while. They've got these little blinged out, I don't know what they are, iron-on art. So, yeah. We've got that. These would look nice on a black t-shirt. Look at that. For $1.25. I know we're all fuming about the extra 25 cents, but if they can give us better products, that would be great. What is this? Tulle. So you get, what, 3 yards of tulle? Different colors. Then this is lace, crochet lace. They have multiple colors, or 2 colors. So I hadn't seen any of that. Like I said, it's been a while. Then they have the vinyl or cricket. Let's see. What are these? This is permanent writable white sticker. That's interesting. What is that? And then these are all the different vinyls. So I moved on down, and they do have the usual things. Ooh, they have the natural jute core down here. I have to get some of that. Yeah, this is the typical stuff that I see. They have the decorative scissors. I've been using mine more lately. Oh, they have the wooden beads. I wish I'd have known that before I bought big bags from Michael's. Oh, they have the large rolls of baker's twine. In different colors. Oh, they have the cricket tools, or the knockoff cricket tool. What is this? Macrame something? Yep, macrame wall art. Huh. So what, you make it? That's interesting. That's something you could use on a journal. Let's see. Brushes. Oh, here are the glue removers. That works great with 3-in-1 and Fabri-Tac. And then they have plenty of the scrapers. Cool. And glue. Wood pieces. Stencils, stickers, and bling. Oh, those are nice labels. Oh, and the clear stamps. Let's see if there's anything new. You can flip through. One here. I think these are all the same ones from last year. Yeah. Nothing new there. So we got the rub-ons. Cool. Okay, so I guess that's it. Look at the wooden tags. If I can get it in front. There it is. Yep. So I guess that is it. Okay, this is very new. Never seen it in Dollar Tree before. But they have Juneteenth decorations for these headbands. Little plaques, banners, napkins, plates, and cups. Very cool. Okay, so I came over to the stationery aisle. They now have their own pegboard system. I don't know how sturdy it is, but it's very interesting. They have the hooks and these, and then they have this in black and white. They have these little tray things. I think this goes with them. I'm tempted. I don't know. Okay, still looking around, and they have chalk paint. Check that out. So I'm in Dollar Tree again. They have out some beach theme items. They have the galvanized pails. Decorative plaques and signs. Wax melts. What are these? Candle holders. There's a lot of people in here. Then they have these little bead things. What are these? Wood bead garlands. Okay, the brushes, wood pieces, the seahorses. Then they got these wire, I don't know what the wire things are. Let's see. Bicycle wheel wreath ring. Oh, that's different. Glass stickers. And more signs. Then they have all these different shapes of wreath. I haven't been to this Dollar Tree in a while. This is the one I used to come to all the time. So I'm a little surprised at what they have out. And it looks fully stocked so far. I mean, granted, I just walked in the door, but still. Here's the flowers. And here's the 4th of July, Memorial Day, patriotic stuff. They got tons of the scarves. They have some graduation stuff out. but not a lot. I guess it's a little late for graduation buying since school is out here. We got the bowls, plates, platters. Okay, this one has the whole pegboard system on display. So at the other Dollar Tree that I shared, they had the pegboard stuff, but they didn't have it all like this. And I was watching another video and they were saying something about they didn't have the mounting brackets. So why would they be selling the pegboard pieces without the mounting brackets? I don't know. And I don't know if this is a good value or not. I'm thinking it might just be better to go to Home Depot or Lowe's and then maybe buy the attachments from Dollar Tree. I don't know. But there's a lot here to choose from. Okay, so apparently these are supposed to be the brackets to mount, but they're adhesive rinks. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but apparently you can use these to mount them. So I don't know. This is the stickers, stamps, wood pieces, bling section, or part of it in this store. They also have stencils and other things. They have the vinyl. Clear stamps. The window stickers, those are so pretty. The thing is, when you take them off the background, they're different though. Vintage look. Doves, dragonflies, butterflies, and hearts. Stars. More windows. I wonder if I have these. Here's another shape of the wreath wires. Then they've got the succulents in the little containers. More bling. And then they have these decorative knobs. So I guess if you're changing the knobs on a dresser maybe, I don't know. Or drawers. Interesting.
We started right on time.
Here's ribbons. Different designs.
Yeah, we are.
Got the bee ribbon. And then the usual crochet ribbon. There's some more wire wreath forms. And the wall decals. They look to be about the same. It's more vinyl and stuff. A bunch of it in the kitchen home area. I don't know why it's over here, but it's a ton of it over here. All right, here we are in Dollar Tree number 3. So we've gone to 1, 2, 3 Dollar Trees. And This is the craft aisle in this one. This one is the newest one that I've seen. Actually, on the way here, we had to drop some things off at Goodwill. On the way here, I saw a Dollar Tree that I never knew was there. So, we're actually in a different city. These are interesting, and I find I've been using the clips, these craft clamps, a lot lately. So, I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. And another pack of these. I've been watching some Dollar Tree or discount DIYers. DIY, people that do DIYs, and they have some really interesting stuff. I have to kind of control myself not to just go for that, because I'll get all this stuff and then I won't do it. So I'm trying to control my Dollar Tree spending, especially since it's no longer $1. This is the type of stuff they use in the DIYs. We got the ribbon. Okay. All right, so that is pretty much it for, those are stencils up there, for the Dollar Tree. For this video, they got a little cross stitching, all sorts of things. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this other Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed these shop with me's, and I will holla at y'all next time. Bye.